What's up, guys? It's your girl ELLOPEP23. No, get it right. And today, y'all, we are doing a cute little style. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23. Get it right, and yeah. So if y'all didn't see, I did my beautiful wash and go. This is a week later. A little tangled, need a little detangling, but it still is good. Like if you put a little restore spray and like fluff, you get a little fluff, it's good. Do a few curls, it's good. But I haven't really been going anywhere, so I haven't done my hair, but we're doing it today. So let's go ahead and get into this video. My god, why is all this stuff in my way? I had a printer on the floor, I don't know why. First step, so I'm gonna separate the front of my hair from the back of my hair, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all this up here and we're gonna twist it and put some rubber bands and then let it flow. You know what I'm saying? You get the vibe. I'm not gonna take too much because I want it to still have some fluff in the back. If you want to take more from the front, that's fine, but that ain't the vlog today for me. For the first step, I'm gonna spray the front of my hair. And then I'm gonna take it and put it in sections. You can do big or small sections, but I'm gonna do like medium sections. So I'm gonna do them, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna take my comb. I'm gonna take a little bit of my oil. This is by Main Choice. It's Dangerous Luster Luminous. I don't know the name, but I will put it in the description down below. So I'm gonna do it kind of like how you do, like how I do my knotless braids and stuff. I'm just gonna part it in like the rows, except for I'm not gonna separate them, but I'm parting the rows. I don't know, I might change my mind and do like a different like individual, but we'll see how I'm feeling. So with these, I'm gonna try to do like a curve, because I don't know how I like myself with like straight back, so I'm gonna try to do like a curve type of thing. So let me see. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and twist the front of my hair. I'm not gonna do braids, I'm gonna do 2-strand twist to my scalp. I can't remember what it's called, but it's 2-strand twist to my scalp. But I just took 2 small pieces. Don't start with big pieces, because then the front will just look but start with 2 small pieces and just add the hair like regular cornrows, but just two strands. That's it. It's literally not that hard. If you don't know how, just watch what I'm doing. If you want a detailed video on me showing you how to do this, comment down below and I most definitely will do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this to the rest of my head, well, the rest of the front of my hair, and put a rubber band at the end of each one, and that's about it. It's nothing too special. I'm just gonna make sure I cornrow it nice and tight, not too tight but tight enough. I add a little bit of gel to it just to make it a little bit more slick, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But I made sure it's wet, and I made sure that it's detangled so that it'll be easier to manage. But other than that, it's pretty easy. I'll show you guys when I get to the middle. The middle is I'm not gonna do too much in the middle. I'm just gonna do the same thing, twist it. I'm gonna split it in half and twist it. So yeah, it's a pretty easy style. This style was inspired by her name is Becca, that girl Becca. She's that girl. Follow her on Instagram and her YouTube. It's the same name, that girl Becca. She's very great at the hairstyles. She inspired me to do this one, so you know, don't want to take no credit or nothing. So go follow her, go check out her page, and yeah, that's it. What I did the same thing I did on these sides. My hair is a bit uneven, like I said, so don't mind if they not the same size. They may be on the same size on your head, but on my head it ain't. So I split this in the middle and I braided, 2-strand twisted it, and yeah, I'm about to take out the rest of my hair, and then I'm gonna leave it out. And if you want, you could do different styles with it, but I'm gonna show you guys a few styles you can do with it. So don't fret, don't get scared. I don't know what to do, my hair won't stay out. I got you, baby, I got you. So this is the finished product for the front. Okay, we gotta do the edges a little bit, you know, can't leave it rough like that. But We're gonna do the back and keep pushing. All right, I fluffed out my hair. We are all done. If you want to do like a little retouch on your hair, you can. I think my hair looks fine. I like it when it looks more fluffy. I don't know, this is me, but this is the finished product. If you want to, you can do a ponytail. If you want to, you can do pigtails. I'm choosing to leave it out because, I don't know, I just like my hair out. So, this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23. Get it right. And I'll see you on the next video. Boop.